In today's video, I'll show you how to download your transaction history from your account on Binance. Before we begin, make sure your Binance account is already set up and that you have your login details ready. Let's get started. First, go to the Binance website and sign into your account. If you haven't bookmarked the site yet, it's a good idea to do so now for easier access in the future. Also, always double check that you're on the official website to keep your account secure. Once you're logged in, look at the navigation bar at the top of the page. Move your cursor over the wallet section and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Fiat and Spot. This section shows an overview of your balance and allows you to manage your funds. Click on Fiat and Spot and it will open a new page. On the new page, you will see several tabs. The one we need is Transaction History, so click on that to continue. Here, you'll be able to view all of your transaction details. Whether you're searching for a specific transaction or just reviewing your activity, this page makes it easy to find what you need. To refine your search, choose the date range that includes the transactions you want. You can set it for a few days, several weeks, or even months. You can also select the type of transaction, which helps filter out unnecessary information and focus on the relevant records. After adjusting your filters, the next step is to download the data. Look for the export button and click it. A small pop-up window will appear where you can choose your preferred file format, CSV or PDF. CSV files work well with spreadsheet tools like Excel, while PDFs are convenient for simple viewing and sharing. Once you have selected the format you prefer, click Generate. Binance will then prepare your file, which may take a short moment while the system compiles the data. When the file is ready, a download link or button will appear. Click it to save the file to your device. Make sure to store it in a location where you can easily access it later. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your transaction history from Binance. Keeping a clear record of your transactions is important, whether for personal tracking or tax purposes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.